Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and fix microphone not working on your MacBook. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So first things first, simply go ahead and click on this Apple icon right over here. But go ahead and click it by holding on your options and then simply go ahead and click on restart. And once your PC is restarted, it should be working. And however, if it is still not, simply go into your system settings, into privacy and security, and once you're in there, simply go all the way down until you find microphone. Click on that and then make sure that you have allowed the application that you're trying to use the microphone on to use or access your microphone. If that is still not working, go to sound right over here and check if you have selected the right mic over here on the input. So it is as simple as that. If it is a physical problem, hardware problem, then unfortunately you will have to go ahead and contact the Apple's team by going to the nearest store. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.